Let us do another example. To simplify the given expression, we need to simplify each fraction inside the expression. So we need to simplify this and this aside, and after that we can combine them. To do that, for simplifying this fraction, for example, we need to find a common denominator for each one of them. So let's us do that. So I will work with 2 minus 6 over x. So the common denominator should be x. So I can write it here is equal to 2 times x divided by x minus 6 over x, which is 2x minus 6 divided by x. So I'm done with the first part of the fraction. Let's now work with the other part of the fraction. So 1 minus 9 over x squared is equal to 1 times x squared divided by x squared minus 9 divided by x squared. So my common denominator is x squared, so that's why I'm multiplying by x squared. So this is equal to x squared minus 9 divided by x squared. Now I can combine both expressions in a single one. So same thing, 2 minus 6 over x divided by 1 minus 9 over x squared is equal to this one instead of this one, and this one instead of this one. So is equal to 2x minus 6 over x divided by x squared minus 9 over x squared. Okay, which is 2 times x minus 3 divided by x, everything divided by, I know that this part, this one, is same as x squared minus 3 squared, which is equal to x minus 3 times x plus 3. Okay, so I will write it here as x minus 3 times x plus 3 divided by x squared. Okay, so I have two division. I can change them by the opposite of a multiplication. So it will be 2x minus 3 divided by x times the opposite of this one. So I will flip this one. So if you have a division, something over something divided by something over something, it is this one. You keep this one and you change this by a multiplication times. This will be go to the top and this will go to the bottom. So which is times, let me write this as a dot, times x squared divided by x minus 3 times x plus 3. And now I can see that I can simplify by x minus 3 and I can simplify 1x. So which will give me, this is equal to 2x divided by x plus 3. Okay, now for the non-permissible value, when I simplify each fraction inside its expression with finding a common denominator, I got this one, and from this I got this one. So I can see that my x should be different than 0, and x should be different than 3, and x should be different than minus 3. Why? This is should not be equal to 0, this is should not be equal to 0, and this should not be equal to 0. Okay, so for my non-permissible value, I have x should be different than 0, and x should be different than 3, and x should be different than minus 3.